Good morning, students. In your mathematics, in this last one chapter series, rupees and paise. In this chapter, this rupees and paise. One point is remain shopping. See in your book page number 194. See here in shops many things are there. Balls, tops, toy car, toy giraffe, dolls, books, pencils, eraser, chocolates, biscuits pack. Then you see here this. You can visit this self-service store without using a pencil or paper. You find out this cost of. See here one ball and one toy car. Rupees. Here one ball. One ball is price 7 rupees and one toy car. One toy car here 15. Then 15 plus 7. Total how many rupees? 22 rupees. Then second one see one notebook and two pencils. One notebook here. One notebook cost here 5 rupees and two pencils. Two pencil means one pencil cost here 2 rupees 50 paise. Then two pencils cost here 5 rupees. Then one notebook 5 rupees and two pencils 5. 5 plus 5 10 rupees. Then next one two bananas and a glass of milk. See here one banana cost is here rupees 1 rupees 50 paise. Then two bananas cost 3 rupees. Then a glass of milk. A glass of milk. One glass of milk is here 3 rupees 50 paise. Then total here you write here this price of this two bananas and glass of milk means 6 rupees 50 paise. Then one doll and a ball. One doll here, one doll here price is 8 rupees and one ball is here 7 rupees means total of this 15 rupees. Then next one glass of lemon juice and a packet of these biscuits. Here one glass of this lemon juice 3 rupees glass and this packet of a biscuits means one biscuit here per pack means one biscuit pack is 4 rupees 50 paise. Then here how many 1 2 3 4. 4 means here 16 rupees and this 50 paise 1 rupees 17 rupees. Total this 17 and this 3 means total of this one glass of lemon juice and a packet of biscuits 20 rupees. Find out this total cost of. Then you find out the total cost of. See here one toy giraffe. One toy giraffe here cost is 6 rupees 50 paise. You see here one toy giraffe 6 rupees 50 paise. Then one copy. Then here one copy is here rupees 8. Rupees 8 means you write here 8.00. Then a glass of lemon juice. A glass of this lemon juice. A glass of lemon juice 3 rupees. Then you find out this value here 50 paise. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 6 means 17 rupees 50 paise. Then second one glass of milk. One glass of milk cost is here 3 rupees 50 paise. Then one packet of biscuits. One packet of biscuits here 4 rupees 50 paise. And a banana. Banana here price one banana cost is here 1 rupees 50 paise. Then you do here addition 0 5 5 10 plus 5 15 5 1 carry 4 plus 3 7 7 plus 1 8 8 plus 1 9 means cost of this 9 rupees 50 paise. Then next one see one notebook, two pencils and two erasers cost. One notebook cost here 5 rupees. When you write here 5 rupees. Then two pencils. See here one pencil cost here 2 rupees 50 paise. Then two pencils cost here 5 rupees. 250 plus 250 5 rupees. Then two eraser. erasers. One eraser is here 1 rupees. Then 2 eraser means 2 rupees. Then total 5, 5, 10 plus 2 means 12 rupees. Then next one, 2 tops. 2 tops. Top here, one top is here rupees 2. 2 tops means here 4 rupees. Then 3 toffees. Where is toffees? These 3 toffees, toffee chocolates. One is 50 paise, then 2 means 1 rupees and 3 means here 1 rupees 50 paise. And 2 bananas. 2 bananas. One banana cost is here 1 rupees 50 paise, then 2 bananas cost here 3 rupees. 0, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rupees 50 paise. Then next one, what can you buy if you have a 20 rupee note? Suppose you have a 20 rupees note, then what can you bought? Here many things are given here. Then what can you bought? You write here answers. 1 toy car, lemon juice, 1 banana, but only you have a 20 rupees notes. Then you write again some things. Then next one, see here, cash memo, self-service store, atoms, rate per atom, rupees, paise. See here you write here many atoms. Suppose sugar, then per atom means 1 kg. Price is here suppose 35 rupees. Then you write here again one rava, wheat flour. Again many atoms you write here. Rate also write, rupees, paise also you write here, and total here. Do addition and write here answer. Then in homework you complete this. Then addition and subtraction of these rupees and paise remain in this chapter. Then tomorrow we will study. Okay, bye.